Jimmy. Good morning, I'm Jimmy. Today I'm going to share a topic with you that is about future. That is the building of the future. As we know, nowadays the building are developed in different kinds of areas. And today I'm going to share with you the following areas. That is the environmental friendliness, the location, the shape, the structure, and also the height of the building in the future. And I'm going to share one or two examples with you on these areas. And these examples are all the buildings that will be completed in a few years. Okay, first of all, let's take a look at the environmental friendliness. As you can see, this is the Bar building that is in Dubai. And it is the building very environmental friendly because all the energy that is used in this building are generated from wind power and also the solar power. As you can see, there's a wind turbine here. And you can see the shape of this building is just like a cylinder. It is to minimize the surface area that is exposed to the sun so that the temperature of this building will not be too high. And about location, let's take a look at the waterfront city in Dubai. This project is a very large-scale project because it will produce a new home for 1.5 million people. And it is double the population in Dubai, and also it will lengthen the coastline of Dubai for 70 kilometers. That is twice the size of Hong Kong. So we can see how large the scale is. And then let's take a look at this hotel. This hotel is underwater, so we can see that it's very hard to find a place to build such a large project. And the architect of this building said because the scale of this project is very large, so it's very difficult to find a place for it. And also, he is very proud of this project because he found that nobody has made life underwater possible before. So he is the first one to do this. And as you can see, this structure is just like it's a bit similar to the human organism because there's the brain in the center, and it will control other parts of the body. And about the shape of the building in the future, we can take a look at the World Trade Center. It is trying to replace a loss of skylight because of the 9/11 incidents. And as we can see, the structure consists of 8 pieces of elongated isosceles triangle that is form the facade of this building. And we can see this building is a bit of streamlined, so it's very modern feel. And that is the Al Hamra Firdaus Tower in Kuwait. And as we can see, it is located in the peninsula, so that it can take a full view of the Gulf in front of this building. And the southern wall of this building is removed, so that it can have a maximum view of the sea of Gulf. And the southern wall, because it's removed, so that it will produce an iconic form of this tower and make this tower very popular. And about structure, we can have a look at this building. That is the rotating tower in Dubai. This tower is very dynamic because it will move around for a full 360 degrees in 1 or 3 hours. So that is the first dynamic tower in the world. And as we can see, there is some wind turbine inside the building, so that it will generate all the energy that is used in it by wind power. And it is known as a zero emission tower because it won't pollute the environment because all the energy it used is produced by wind power. And talking about the height, as you can see, this building is very high, it's very tall, white, and it is the World Dubai, and it will be the tallest building in the world. But you may ask, how tall is this? And I can tell you that nowadays the tallest building in Hong Kong is the IFC2 in Central, and it is just 420 meters tall. And this building, World Dubai, is more than 800 meters. So they almost double the height of IFC2, so it's really very tall. And it also breaks some record because the material used in this building is a new record. All the buildings that I'm talking about are from all different parts of the world, but not in Hong Kong. But is this tall building far away from us? Not really. Let's take a look at this picture. Can you recognize where it is? This is Hong Kong, and this is IFC2, and this is the International Commerce Center. That will be completed in 2010. In ICC, you can find some 6-star hotels, and also some residential area, and some luxury residence, and also some retail spaces. And this is the photos of ICC. Okay, to sum up, so far we have talked about the environmental friendliness, that is the use of renewable energy, such as the solar power and also the wind power. And the location that we can find building underwater, and the shape that is streamlined, and the structure that is formed from different layers, that is the rotating tower in Dubai, and the height that's more than 800 meters. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let's stop the timer. And questions, please. You have 2 minutes for question once the question starts.
I would like to ask for the 170 floors building in Dubai.
Yes.
Do it have a chance to collapse while earthquake occurs?
Oh, I see. I think most of the tall tower nowadays in the world are all equipped with some, let's say, earthquake or collapse engineering. So I think there are some kinds of that prevent it to collapse, just like structure. That is, the material used in it is rather concrete in size. Any more questions?
Can you be more specific about the Gulf, GULF? What's that? I'm not
Oh yes, that's the sea that is near the Kuwait. Yes. Yes. So that the building can take a full view of the sea.
Yeah.
Yes.
You mentioned that there are a hotel in the sea.
Oh yes, that's the underwater hotel. Yes.
How can it be located in the sea and then the people staying here and safe?
Oh, I see. It's because it's totally separate from the upper level, that is above the sea level, so that all the structure and all the project is below sea and totally separated with the upper part. So the people using the air supplied from some parts of the project. Yes. Any more questions?
No more? No more? Okay, thank you very much. Are you okay? All right, okay.